Hello friends, today I'm here to show you a really cool experiment that all you need is a magnetometer, which I'm using on a phone, a magnet, a very powerful magnet that you can buy at a store, two same size screws, or big or small, we don't care, and also you need an electromagnet. You need to make one. Like, I have a coil with wires to the batteries. So yeah, I'll take the magnet away for now. First, now get your magnetometer on the middle, and then take your electromagnetic with the coils, and also yeah, you have to make a coil, make a lot of loops so that you can have a really good strong coil. All right, and find a sensor that shows the maximum strength of the magnetic field. All right, my sensor is right here. Oh, that's my bad. The battery just fell off. So here, right here. Okay. Oh, no, sensor. Alright, now take the lid off, or the cap, you'd say, I don't know. And then add one screw first. And then we'll test two, alright? Then, alright. Now, let the current flow through. What do you observe? Now you can see that it's changing now. So our sensor's right here. This is the maximum, right? 75, alright? It's like that, something. Maybe not right, but that's the maximum. Alright? Now we're gonna take that off and insert another one. And for two, actually. We're gonna insert two. Let's see if this can fit in. Oh well, I guess it's okay. Alright. Let's see if it's gonna make it much more powerful. Oh my god, it just skyrocketed. As you see here, it's almost like, well, now it's decreasing because of lost charge, obviously. But if we add it here, this can be, there's some people say there's sensors here or here, so I think it's sensor here, but I think it doesn't matter if you see the maximum. It just skyrocketed, as you see. So at least it's like 100 for here. So yeah, so you see that if we added a current, we know that electromagnet means there's a current makes electromagnet, right? And the reason why is we know that, alright? But why, I'm gonna explain why we add iron cores or other materials that make this, the strength of the magnetic field stronger. And I'll explain it right now. Alright guys, I am back, yes. And today I'm going to show you why it actually happened that I asked you. Why is it increasing? So, let's just draw a coil, a regular coil. Oh, there. Alright. Some loops. Alright. So, we know the coil is going to create a magnetic field because of electric current, right? But, why do we add an iron nail? Why did we add an iron nail? I'm going to draw an iron nail here. Iron nail. Why did we add that? Why did we add that? I'm going to ask you. Well, we know that magnets can attract to ferromagnetic, right? Ferromagnetic means it will attract to both poles, right? The electromagnet is going to act like a magnet, and the iron nail is a ferromagnetic, and it's inducing that iron nail to become like a magnet. And if we add that in, like I said, if we add that in, and I said it will be like a magnet, that means it's gonna increase the strength of the magnetic field. If you're adding more magnets, you're increasing the magnetic field. So I'm gonna write this down for you. More magnets mean more, well, I'll say more strength. Hope you see what it is. I don't know if it's good handwriting, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. All right. So yeah, that's how it makes the strength increase more. If we add more irons or any metal we can do that is a ferromagnetic, it will make the strength even stronger. That's why you see that magnetometer that I used. It's increasing because of the magnetic field strength. So that's why it's very simple actually. So, and also the reason why we wrap a coil to make it is because every point of that coil will make a magnetic field, and that's why it's a very strong magnetic field, but it's not that strong, you say. That's why we added an iron nail to make it stronger. I think my work is done, and I explained it very well. And yeah, so I hope you like this, and see you. So I'm back, and remember about that experiment that we used the electromagnet? We know electromagnet is acting as a magnet, but what if we use like these magnets, this powerful magnet that I showed you on the beginning? So if we try to measure this, see, look, it's 3,000. And this unit, I think I forgot to tell you, it's called Tesla, so nice thing to learn. And if we add screws, it doesn't show exact, but it will increase. And if we add more, oh, that's something that you don't need to know. Here, let's do it this way. Let's see if it's... Yeah, somewhere in that range is the 3,000, but it's increasing every time. It doesn't show the exact, but it's increasing. Somewhere, yeah. At least to be somewhere. So yeah, that's how you can see the magnetometer, and that's how I explained it when I showed you how that the screws are like, when we add these things, right? It will be like a magnet now, because it's like a temporary magnet, and it is inducing it. So that's why it's going to act like a magnet, and increasing the strength of the magnetic field. Thank you.